Okay guys, welcome to this next tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how we can mirror parts or components, I should say, to create like a identical part mirrored about a face. The example I want to show you here on the screen is something you should be familiar with. You can see here this 6x2 flat piece with a 1x1 tall onto it. That was from a previous tutorial. I got you to assemble those two parts and then to use the appearance editor to change their colors. You can see here that I've then added to this assembly, or I call it a sub-assembly, the 3x2 chamfer that you also did as one of your tutorials. What I want to show you here is that I'm going to pretend that this 3x2 here is like a wing on a Lego kit. We've got the, if we're looking at it this way, we've got the wing for the right, but we don't have the wing on the left. So rather than having to redraw all this part and all the geometry, what we can do, we can actually create a mirror of this wing and then from this part and then assemble it here. So to do that, what I want you to do is to open up your flat wing that you created before. It might have been called chamfer, I can't remember. Just double click on it there. And there it is there. And we're going to use the mirror command to mirror this whole thing. So let's go up to create, scroll down to find mirror. And in the dialog box, you'll have options of what you want to mirror, either faces, bodies, features, or components. Now, you can see here up in our file tree, I don't actually have a component yet, but I can, if I want to, I can mirror a body. So choose from the pattern type over here, choose body, then select the body that you wish to mirror. So I can select it here, you see it turns it to blue. And then select the mirroring plane. So click into the box and then go select this side here because I want to mirror it about that face. Click OK. And you now see that you've got the problem, you've got two parts there. We only want to keep this one here. So when it's just a simple one part, you can then remove this part and then save it as a different name. So come to the body that you want to get rid of. You can see I've just highlighted it. Right click, come down and not delete, because if you delete it, this part will lose all its geometry, but click on the remove button. You see the timeline, it's this sort of circle with a little black arrow beside it. And at that point you would then save this file, save as, and rather than calling it flat wing right, I would then call this flat wing left. So then you've got a left and a right. Let's jump back there again. And you can see there it's now been saved as a 3x2 flat wing left. So now you have both parts. I'll just jump back to the assembly that I was showing you before, and then we can assemble these together. So let's bring that in. So where's my assembled parts? It's over here, that's right. Find it up here, it's at the top of the list. 3x2 flat wing left. Right click on it there, insert into current design, like you'll do when you're doing any assembly. And then I always drag this so it's close to where I want it to go, without touching anything though. So I'll just pop it about there. Click on OK on the move copy side of things, and then we'll apply the joint. So we'll go up to joints up here, and then I'm looking for something that's common on this part down to here. So I know this edge here should correspond with that edge there. So click one there. There's the corresponding edge or corner, I should say, and set the joint to rigid and click OK. Now you've got a left and a right wing. The next tutorial I'll show you how you can then actually mirror a complete assembly as well. But that's for now. Just try to mirror a part or mirror a body or a component and then assemble that so you've got those two wings like so. So this is what I actually want to see as proof that you've actually completed this tutorial. Okay, have a go at that one.